Firstly, I've previously never worked in the manufacturing industry before. The complexity and scale of manufacturing data are known to be very challenging, and this definitely sounded interesting to me. As a software engineer, it's a rare opportunity to be working with large scale semiconductor manufacturing data and systems in an isolated cloud environment. Secondly, I thought what Gauss Labs is currently developing would create a huge impact on the semiconductor manufacturing industry. During my interview with Gauss Labs, I got to learn more about Panoptis, which is the suite of products we are building here. It is currently very specific to semiconductor manufacturing problems. However, it is also being built in an extensible way to scale to other manufacturing domains. So I wanted to be part of productizing this solution. And lastly, for me, who I work with is as much important as what I work on. I had a bit of an advantage here as I knew about the culture at Gauss Labs even before joining. But even during my interview, I could really feel how talented people are and how teams collaborate with each other very efficiently, regardless of the team's physical location. The work here itself is interesting and challenging. We are currently building a generalized data pipeline that can scale to more than 1,000 manufacturing processes. It deals with high frequency, real-time fault detection and classification data and measurements data. And this pipelines process more than 50 different types of process metadata as well. While I have prior experience in various other domains as a software engineer, this is definitely challenging for me and it gets me excited. We also move fast but strategically. Gauss Labs is such a fast-moving environment. We are constantly improving our product and developing new products, but at the same time, we are also working on strategic efforts with long-term vision for quality and maintainability of our products. And we have very supportive teams. I work not only with my colleagues in the product engineering team, but also with colleagues from product management, the research, and the AI engineering team. It's fun and interesting to work with people from very different backgrounds.